Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be looking at how to make predictions on Plotex, which is a really simple process. But before we can get into any of that, make sure that you understand the basics of the Plotex app first. You can do that by visiting our wiki at docs.plotex.io. Here in the FAQs page, under the features category, you can see the list of all the features that you should know about before you make any prediction on the platform. You can also refer to the in-depth user guide available across these two pages, that is the overview page and the how to make predictions on Plotex page. Now, once you're done with that, go to app.plotex.io to start making predictions. As I told you before, making predictions on Plotex is actually fairly simple. The first thing that you need to do is to select the asset whose value you want to predict using this drop-down menu right here. I'll be selecting ETH USD. Then select one of the markets using this toggle switch. For example, you can choose to participate in the hourly market or the daily market or the weekly market. For this example, I'll be participating in the weekly market. For this weekly market, the question is what will be the value of ETH USD at November 03, 2020, 7:30 p.m. This is the question for this market. Then you can check out the market stats here. For example, what is the highest option price, the lowest option price, the number of participants for this market, total participation in ETH and plot individually. After that, you can check out the price chart right here to apply any technical analysis you want. One thing to keep in mind here is that the price you are seeing in this chart is not the price the Plotex protocol uses for essential things like option price calculation or market settlement, etc. The price is taken from Chainlink and it's updated right here every 5 minutes. So as you can see, there is already a difference between the prices we are seeing right here and the price that we are getting from the Chainlink that is being updated here every 5 minutes. Now, after you have done applying your technical analysis and have arrived at your prediction, you need to select the option or options which best reflect your prediction. In this case, I think that the value of ETH is going to be more than $400. Then I will choose the option that best reflects my own prediction. In this case, this option that shows that the price will be greater than or equal to $379. This reflects my prediction. Now you simply need to click on this predict button. This will reveal the buy options positions menu. Here you need to enter things like the amount you want to participate with, which assets you will use to participate, and the leverage. You have three options here: ETH, bplot and plot. Now let's say I decided to participate using plot. I can see my plot balance right here. Now I need to enter the amount of plot I want to participate with. After that, you need to select the leverage you're most comfortable with. In this case, I'm comfortable with 4x leverage. Remember that you can always click on this I button to read a short summary of any particular feature. Also, you always have the option of going to the FAQs page and reading about the features of Plotex. Now, I have selected 4x leverage and I have entered 300 plot to pay for this particular prediction. Next thing to do is to review the details like the pool share, potential winnings, the number of positions expected for this prediction. So as you can see, I will be getting around 1.8 positions. Remember that the actual positions may vary, and to know more about it, you can click on this I button or refer to the FAQs page. So after you have reviewed all the details, you need to click on buy now. and that will initiate a MetaMask transaction of the entered amount automatically. After that, you need to select the gas that you are willing to pay for this transaction and then click confirm. So now I have submitted my transaction and you can see in the activity tab the transaction is in pending right now. I have selected the fast gas fees for this transaction, so it will go through quickly. Let's wait for a moment. And it went through. As you can see, the transaction is successful and my details have been updated right here. I have participated with 300 plot and for that I got 1.8 positions. There are some critical things that you should also know, like at what time the market is settled, where do the Plotex protocol gets their prices from, etc. And for that, you can always refer to the FAQs section available on our wiki. Link of the wiki is in the description of this video. Yeah, so that's about it. That's all you need to know for making a prediction on Plotex. Thank you for watching this video.